Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind workshop. So I've got some of these wooden slats left over from an old shelving unit. They're about 18mm thick, 65mm wide and about 800mm long. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make a couple of planter boxes, because I don't know about you, I don't think there's enough videos on YouTube of people making planter boxes. I'm just going to give them all a quick sand because there's a bit of dirt on some of them, and then I'll take them to the chop saw and cut them in half roughly. So what I've done is I've taped them all together, making sure that they're all flush and square to each other, so I can cut them all at the same time. So now they're all cut, I'm going to assemble all the corner pieces. So I've assembled all these corner pieces. There's 8 of them, and off camera I've cut a load of pieces 300mm or about a foot long, and they're going to make up the cross pieces. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start assembling the sides of the planter boxes, and I'm just going to lay these 300mm pieces inside the corner pieces, glue and pin them together. Right, so slight change of plan. I'm only going to have enough material to make one of these planters because I messed up a measurement somewhere along the line. So what I've done is I've cut some strips, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a capping piece to go around the top of the box, and then with the last of these pieces I'm going to put a bottom in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 4 of these pieces to cap the top, and I'm going to put 45s on them to make it a little bit nicer. Right, so I've cut them capping pieces now. I'm just going to get them glued and pinned on. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit 2 of these rails into the bottom of the box for the slats to sit on. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit these these slats on top of them rails. To take a bit off that one. So yeah, just took a bit off that one on the table saw. And there you go. I'm not going to glue those in, I'm just going to pin them because they're going to have the weight of soil on top of them anyway. And there it is, all done. I think it turned out quite nice. I'm not going to stain it or paint it, I'm going to leave that to whoever ends up with it. But yeah, like I say, I'm quite happy with it. That's it for today, guys. If you made it this far, thank you so much. If you could do me a favour, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and put down in the comments what you think of it. I mean, if you can do me another favour and watch another video, help get the watch time hours up, because I'm still under the 4,000 it takes to get monetized. That would do me a huge favour. But other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.